Many of us hide brittle nails and cracked feet, not out of vanity, but because it chips away at our confidence. It's not just about appearance, it's about how we feel when we step out into the world. When your nails are weak or your feet are rough, it can make you want to shrink back, to avoid situations where you might be noticed. These small details can have a surprisingly big impact on our self-esteem, making us second-guess ourselves in everyday moments. It's that hesitation before wearing sandals, or the urge to hide your hands in meetings. Maybe you avoid the pool, or skip out on social events because you're worried someone will notice. These little moments add up, quietly shaping how we interact with others, and how we see ourselves. This struggle is more common than you think, and it can feel hopeless after countless failed treatments. You might have tried every cream, oil, or polish on the shelf, only to be left feeling frustrated and let down. It's easy to wonder if you'll ever find a real solution, or if you're destined to keep hiding. The emotional toll is real, missing out on simple joys like painting your toenails with a child, or walking barefoot on vacation. These aren't just small inconveniences, they're moments of connection and freedom that you deserve to experience. When you feel held back, it can affect your mood, your relationships, and even your willingness to try new things. These aren't just cosmetic issues. They're signals from your body that something's missing. Your nails and feet are trying to tell you that they need more support, and ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems down the road. Weak nails and unhealthy feet often point to deeper nutritional gaps. Sometimes, no matter how many products you use on the outside, the real issue is what's happening inside your body. Your diet, your habits, and your overall health all play a role in how strong and healthy your nails and feet can be. Covering up with polish or creams only masks the problem. It might help you feel better for a moment, but it doesn't address what your body is really asking for. True healing starts when you look beneath the surface. Real change starts from within, by nourishing your body with what it truly needs. When you give your body the right nutrients, you're not just improving your nails and feet, you're supporting your whole self from the inside out. Imagine reclaiming those moments, feeling free, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. Picture yourself walking barefoot without a second thought or showing off your hands with pride. It's possible, and it starts with taking the right steps for your health. Your body is asking for support, not another cover-up. It's time to listen to those signals and give yourself the care you truly deserve. It's time to address the root cause, not just the symptoms. When you do, you'll find that confidence and comfort come naturally. You deserve to feel whole and confident every day. Healthy nails and feet are just the beginning. They're a sign that you're taking care of yourself in every way. Let's talk about how you can make that transformation, and finally step into a life where you feel proud of every part of yourself. Meet Sarah, a dedicated kindergarten teacher whose days are filled with laughter, learning, and the joy of helping little ones grow. But behind her warm smile, Sarah faced a daily struggle that most people never saw. For years, she battled weak, splitting nails, and painfully cracked heels. Issues that made even simple tasks uncomfortable and left her feeling self-conscious. Sarah tried everything she could find: thick creams, medicated lacquers, expensive salon treatments, and even old folk remedies passed down through generations. Each new product brought a flicker of hope, but disappointment always followed. Her bathroom cabinets overflowed with half-used bottles and jars, a graveyard of failed solutions that promised results but never delivered. The endless cycle of trying and failing left Sarah feeling defeated. She began to hide her hands in her pockets and avoided situations where she'd have to show her feet, convinced nothing would ever work for her. Most treatments only masked the symptoms, offering temporary relief at best. They never addressed the deeper, underlying causes of her brittle nails and dry, cracked skin. True nail and foot health, she learned, starts from within. It's about nourishing your body with the right balance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, nutrients that support strong keratin and resilient, healthy skin. Without these essential building blocks, every cream or patch is just a temporary fix, a band-aid on a problem that keeps coming back no matter how many times you try to cover it up. Just when Sarah was about to give up hope, a close friend noticed her struggle and suggested a new, holistic approach, one that focused on healing from the inside out, rather than just treating the surface. That was the turning point. For the first time, Sarah felt a real sense of hope and possibility. She began to see changes, not just on the outside, but in her confidence and well-being. Sarah's journey is a powerful reminder that lasting results come from within. When you nourish your body, you empower yourself to heal and thrive. Let's take a closer look at what finally made the difference for Sarah and how it could help you too. The turning point for Sarah was discovering SupraNail, a 13-in-1 nutritional supplement for nail and foot health. Unlike creams or polishes, SupraNail is a daily capsule that works from the inside out. It targets the root cause, nutritional deficiencies that weaken nails and skin. SupraNail delivers a blend of vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts to help your body rebuild and strengthen itself. It's made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility in the US, ensuring top quality and safety. The formula is 100% natural, non-GMO, vegan and gluten-free, no harsh chemicals or fillers. For people like Sarah, this was the missing piece. SupraNail isn't a quick fix, it's a science-backed solution for real, lasting change. Give your body the right fuel and it can repair and renew itself. That's the SupraNail difference. SupraNail's power comes from its unique blend of 13 natural ingredients. Key vitamins like C and E boost collagen, the protein that gives nails strength and shape. Senna auriculata and oat bran support skin rejuvenation and natural defenses. Acai berry and green tea provide antioxidants to protect against damage. Licorice root, pumpkin seed and cayenne pepper help circulation and hydration. Fennel seed, prune extract, hops and Cascara sagrada round out the formula, reinforcing nail and skin health from every angle. Together, these ingredients create a holistic, inside-out approach to healthy nails and feet. With SupraNail, you'll notice stronger, healthier nails, no more chipping or peeling. Your new nail growth will be smoother and more resilient, letting you grow them longer with confidence. The same nutrients also repair dry, cracked heels and hydrate your skin, so your feet feel soft and comfortable. You'll finally feel free to show off your hands and feet, whether at the beach or in a meeting. Many users see results in just a few weeks, thanks to the concentrated, fast-absorbing formula. It's as simple as taking one capsule a day, no messy creams or complicated routines. SupraNail is safe, natural, and easy to use. You're nourishing your body, not just covering up symptoms. This is about real transformation, inside and out. That's the promise of SupraNail. The real proof comes from people who've experienced the change firsthand in their own lives and routines. It's not just about what a product claims, it's about the real stories, the genuine journeys, and the visible results that everyday people are proud to share. Take James Afai, a retired contractor who spent years feeling embarrassed by thick, discolored toenails. He avoided social gatherings, skipped family beach trips, and always kept his feet hidden, even in the summer heat. After discovering SupraNail, James finally wears sandals with confidence. He's no longer self-conscious, and he's even started joining his grandkids for walks in the park, proudly showing off his healthy feet. Then there's Rachel S., a busy mom who struggled with nails that constantly broke and split. Between work, parenting, and daily chores, she never had time for complicated routines or expensive treatments. She found SupraNail simple and effective. Her nails are now strong and healthy with no extra effort. Rachel says she feels more put together and confident, even on her busiest days. Corinne F., a college student, always dreamed of having long, beautiful nails but couldn't afford regular salon visits. She felt left out when her friends compared manicures or shared beauty tips. SupraNail made her nails stronger and healthier, saving her money in the long run. Now, Corinne feels included and proud, and she's even started helping her friends with their own nail care. These stories show SupraNail works for all ages and lifestyles, from grandparents to students, busy parents to professionals. The results speak for themselves. People are no longer hiding their hands or feet. They're enjoying life's simple freedoms again. Whether it's a picnic in the park, a day at the beach, or just relaxing at home, they're living life without hesitation. The transformation is more than cosmetic. It's about renewed confidence, self-esteem, and the freedom to be yourself in any situation. When you address the root cause, the results are real and lasting. Healthy nails aren't just a dream, they're a reality for so many who once thought change was impossible. SupraNail is changing lives, one person at a time. Every small victory, every smile, every moment of relief adds up to a bigger transformation. These aren't paid actors, just real people. Finally, free from embarrassment and frustration. Their stories are honest, their results are visible, and their happiness is genuine. Their stories are proof that you can reclaim your confidence too. No matter your age, background, or lifestyle, change is possible. Imagine what it would feel like to join them. Picture yourself stepping out with confidence, no longer worrying about hiding your hands or feet. The first step is simple. It starts with a decision to care for yourself and take action. Let's look at the pros and cons and see how SupraNail could fit into your life, just like it has for so many others. Let's be honest about SupraNail's pros and cons. On the plus side, it's 100% natural, plant-based, and safe for long-term use. It works from the inside out, delivering real, lasting results. No more temporary fixes. The daily routine is easy, just one capsule a day. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Now, the cons. SupraNail isn't available in stores, only through the official website. High demand and limited production mean it sometimes sells out. If you wait, you might miss your chance to order, but this exclusivity ensures quality and keeps prices low. Weigh the pros and cons, and decide what's right for you. SupraNail is about real change, not just another product. Let's talk about how you can get started. As part of this community, you get access to a special limited-time offer. Multi-bottle packages come with deep discounts and free shipping for the best value. Order now and receive 2 free digital bonuses: Revitalize Your Body and Centennial Blueprint Shortcuts. Guides packed with wellness tips and longevity secrets. That's over $220 in free resources, just for taking action today. Most importantly, you're protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Try SupraNail risk-free. If you're not thrilled, get a full refund. There's nothing to lose, and everything to gain. You've heard the stories and seen the science, now it's your turn. You can keep hiding your hands and feet, or you can choose real, lasting change. Imagine a future where you feel confident, free, and proud of your nails and feet. Stock is limited, and today's discounts and bonuses won't last. Don't wait and risk missing out. Take the first step now. Visit the official SupraNail website, choose your package, and claim your offer. In just days, you could be on your way to transformation. Stop covering up. Start healing. You deserve to feel confident and beautiful from head to toe. Take action today. Your new life is waiting.